Another thing that Civil can enable designers to use is a common set of shared coordinates. A shared coordinates is a point that enable multiple files from different authoring software to be aligned using a common date. Within Civil 3D, you can establish alternate insertion points, and these are aligned with monument on the site, namely a water monument. And the point can be exported as an XML file that can be retrieved and accessed both in AutoCAD and Revit. Now we just shift personas here, and now I'm taking the role of a landscape architect. Landscape architects automatically receives the survey in Autodesk Docs, and it can access using the Autodesk Desktop Connector. Desktop Connector is the equivalent of file repository of information mapped in your local drive. The civil information can be linked into the landscape architecture plan, and we can access georeference imagery in AutoCAD correctly aligned with the monument identified by the civil. On the screen, you see the geographic location tool that's been available in AutoCAD for several years, which allow me to identify imagery that is correctly geolocated in AutoCAD. In this case, we are using BIM maps in order to locate the monument in the site. Once the monument is identified, we can add a markup and align it with the appropriate coordinate system to match the civil and topography. This will enable the landscape architects to have imagery of the correctly aligned site from which he can extract or align existing features of the site.